Hello everyone, I'm Ronald. Today I will demonstrate the main features of our online tools, Cloudbroker. The Cloudbroker will help the consumer to select the right cloud and the right instance based on their preferences. At first, let's consider a scenario when an online bookstore owner needs to upgrade his server. And the best way to upgrade his server is to put this server to the cloud. To begin with, as somebody who is new to the cloud, it is very difficult to select the cloud providers from thousands of providers out there, and as a new user, I might want to benchmark the cloud or benchmark the particular instance, to see if that instance is suitable for my application or not. First, let's have a look at the new. Let's have a look at some famous cloud providers' websites. Over here we have Amazon EC2. Let's have a look at the pricing, as pricing is one of the most concerned by users. Okay, so Amazon pricing, we have both on-demand and reserved instance, which is a submission space, and we have all the configurations specified in small, large, extra large. So by looking at these, we will not have any idea what they're talking about. So let's go to instance type, see the configurations. So for Amazon EC2, the configurations is like this, and one thing very unique about Amazon EC2 is the CPU compute power is calculated based on EC2 compute units, and this is different from any other cloud providers. Okay, let's have a look at the next cloud providers, which is GoGrid. GoGrid is one of the very popular cloud provider out there after Amazon, and let's have a look at pricing. Maybe okay. The pricing here is rather simple, and we don't have many options out here, and the information is not very clear either. We only have cores, RAMs, storage, and price. That's it. And so there's nothing much to look at from GoGrid. Let's try another one, like Rackspace. Okay, so let's try to look for the pricing. Okay, to make this demonstration shorter, I already searched for the pricing over here. If not, we will need to wander around over here, a lot of pages just to look for this page to see this is the configurations we have and the pricing per month. Okay, so just from these three providers, we can see they provide different configurations and different pricing models. We have on-demand from Amazon, and we have submission space from Amazon, which is like we need to pay some money upfront, and we pay more money per hour used. But here after we pay this much, and after we pay this much, and we can pretty much use it. However, we still need to consider some other extra costs from the server, some extra costs from other services along with that particular instance as well. So anyway, to conclude, the job of finding a particular instance base that satisfy the need of the online bookstore owner is very difficult, and without knowing much about the cloud, the owner might need to spend a significant amount of time to compare price and the configurations just to select one instance based on his preferences. Furthermore, as a new user to the cloud, he might want to benchmark the cloud or benchmark the instance he selects to make sure the instance can satisfy or can fulfill the needs of the current online bookstore. And that's another matter for deploying, for configuring, for configuring, for doing all the configuration for the instance to have the benchmark applications running properly. Therefore, we developed this Cloudbroker to help to assist the consumer to select the right cloud and the right instance if they already have the preferences. Okay, look over here. We have three graphs, which is the selection, which is basically the selection that the consumer can vary. Over here we have CPU, RAM, and storage. We can basically move these lines around. All the configuration up here will be selected. All the configuration up above this red line will be selected, and all the a lot of configuration was stored inside the database. Okay, let's try very simple queries, quantity and hours. Okay, let's try submitting it. Alright, after submitting that queries, we have a lot of results came back, and over here we see all the pricings, and we can go between different cloud providers and different instances, and so we can try selecting some of them. For example, I select these three, and I want to start benchmarking them. For this demonstration version of Cloudbroker, we only have two applications to benchmark, which is TBCW and SideMark. TBCW is a very famous enterprise benchmark application created by TBC organization, and SideMark is a scientific benchmark application, which is quite popular as well. And so for today's demonstration, I would like to demonstrate a TCBW program. Okay, here are the configuration we can specify upfront. We can specify number of simulated clients, and scenario over here is basically browsing, shopping, or ordering. This description is very clear on the TCBW website. If you have interest, you can have a look at this website. Okay, so get image or not, which is this is like when we have the emulated client to browse the server, we want or do not want the image to download from a server. I put it false so we can end the test faster. So first we can put an add here. Okay, the three instances which was selected earlier will be listed here, and these three will be ready for benchmarking. When the benchmark process starts, the instance will be created from this particular providers with this particular configurations, and all the emulated clients will be created from these local machines and measure the whole, and it will measure the whole um, it will measure the whole benchmarking program from this machine. Okay, we can try starting, submitting. Okay, after submitting, we can just wait until all the results come back to the result tables. Alright, we have one result came back. So let's wait for two more. The second result came back. Let's wait for the last one. Okay, from these result tables, we have these three returned back with the configuration we specified before, and obviously we see the winner is this one. Of course, there will be another factor is the pricing of these three. You see, this may not totally decide which one to be selected, but at least it will help the consumer to have an idea of how they will select the cloud providers and an instance that suitable for their needs. That will be the end of our these demonstrations. Thanks for watching.